Welcome to Rajesh Lekanu. Today our topic is applications of derivative intermediate mathematics 1b exercise 10b problem. See here, if the slope of the tangent to the curve x square minus 2xy plus y plus 4y equal to 0 at the point on is minus 3 by 2. Okay, see here, this is the m value. Then find the equation of tangent and the equation of the normal at the point. Okay, see here, solution given curve x square minus 2xy plus 4y equal 0. Okay, see here, now this is equation number 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get right 2x minus, see here, this is u into v minus 2 into, this is u, this is v. Okay, 1 into y plus x into dy by dx. Okay, right, plus 4 into dy by dx. Y is the dependent variable. Remember that this one, y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Okay, right, see here, 2x minus 2y minus 2x into dy by dx plus 4 dy by dx equal 0. See here, now dy by dx is a common. Okay, that implies dy by dx, right, 4 minus 2x. Okay, this one. See here, plus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Right, that implies, see here, this one, take it to right side here. What is that? 2 common, x minus y, that equal c. Minus 2 common, what is that? X minus 2, okay, into dy by dx, this one, see here, minus of minus plus. Okay, right, this one taken to right side here, minus, see here, 2 is the common and also minus 2, minus of minus get cancelled. Okay, clearly, right? See here, this one taken to left side here, right, dy by dx that equal 2 into x minus y by 2 into x minus 2. Okay, right, now 2 get cancelled. Okay, dy by dx equal x minus y by x minus 2. Okay, right, see here, now given, therefore given, what is that? Minus 3 by 2. Okay, dy by dx equal minus 3 by 2. See here, both equal. Now we have taken x minus y by x minus 2 equal minus 3 by 2. Okay, right? See here, that implies cross multiplication here. What is that? 2 into x minus y, that equal minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, that implies 2x minus 2y, that equal to minus 3x minus into minus plus x. Okay, see here, 2x, what is that? Minus 2y plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. That implies, see here, what is that? Now 5x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. See here, that implies minus 2y equals minus 5x plus 6. Okay, that implies 2y equals, what is that? Minus common here, right? Minus 2y minus common here, 5x minus 6, that equal to 2y equals 5x minus 6. Okay, right? This is 2y. 2y value is substituting in equation 1. Okay, see here, from equation 1, see here, this is equation 1. Now see, that implies x square minus 2 minus x into 2y, okay, plus 2 into 2y, that equal to 0. See here, x square minus x into, see here, 5x minus 6. Okay, right, 5x minus 6 plus 2 into 5x minus 6 equal to 0, right? X square minus 5x square minus into minus plus 6x plus 10x minus 12 equal to 0. See here, minus 4x square, what is that? Minus plus 16x, okay, minus 12 equal to 0, right? That equal to minus 4 common here, x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 4 taken to right side here, x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. That implies x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equal to 0. See here, x common x minus 3 minus 1 common x minus 3 equal to 0. See, x equal to 3, x equal to 1. Okay, right? Now see here, that implies x minus 3 into x minus 1 equal to 0. That implies x equal 1 or 3. Okay, 1 or 3. See here, now here, two cases we are doing here, two cases. Case 1 is the x equal to 1 we have taken. Case 3 is the x equal, case 2 is the x equal to 3 here. Now, case 1 is substituting here, right? Then we get a value, right? See here, case 1, right? At x equal to 1, what is that in equation 1? 1 square minus 2 into 1 into y plus 4 into y, that equal to 0. See here, at x equal to 1, substitute in equation 1. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4y equal to 0. 1 minus 2y, right? 4y equal to 0. See here, 1 minus 1 plus 2y equal to 0. Y equal to minus 1 by 2. Y equal to minus 1 by 2. See, listen carefully here. What we find here, what is that? The equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. Okay, right? See, the point is 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, right? Equation of the tangent. See here, what is that? Y minus of minus plus 1 by 2 equals m value, what is it? Minus 3 by 2 into x minus 1, this one. Okay, right? 2 see here, this one, 2y plus 1 by 2. Okay, right? That equal minus 3 by 2 into x minus 1. Okay, see here, 2 multiplication, this one here, 2 into, okay, right? 2y plus 1 by 2, that equal minus 3 into x minus 1. 2 get cancelled. 2y plus 1, that equal to minus 3x plus 3. Okay, 3x plus 2y, okay, plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay, here next what we find here, equation of the normal. Okay, equation of the normal. What is that? Y minus of minus plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by minus 3 by 2. Okay, sorry, minus 1 by minus 3 by 2. That equal to x minus 1 into x minus 1. See here, what is that? What is the formula? Y minus b, that equal to minus 1 by m into x minus a. Here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 2, m equal to what is that? Minus 3 by 2. Okay, right? This substituting here clearly. Right, see here, y plus 2y plus 1 by 2. Okay, equal to, this one is minus get cancelled, 2 by 3 into x minus 1. See here, this one is a multiplication here, 3 into 2y plus 1 by 2, that equal to 2x minus 2. Now see here, 6y plus 3, 2 taken right side here, that equal 2 into 2x minus 2, right? 6y plus 3, that equal to 4x minus 4. Right, 4x minus 6y, this one take it to right side here, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. See here, minus 3, this one take it to right side here, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Okay, this is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the normal. Case 1. Right, case 2 here. Case 2, what is that? At x equal to 3. Okay, right, from equation 1, what is that? X square minus 2xy plus 4y equal 0. See here, 3 square minus 2 into 3 into y plus 4y equal to 0. See here, 9 minus 6y plus 4y equal to 0. 9 minus 2y equal to 0. Y equal to, see here, 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Okay, the point is, what is that? 3 comma 9 by 2. Okay, see, 3 comma 9 by 2. Now here equation of the tangent, what is that? Y minus 9 by 2, that equal m value, what is that? Minus 3 by 2, x minus 3. Okay, see here, 2y minus 9 by 2, right, that equal to minus 3 by 2 into x minus 3, right, 2 multiplication here, 2y minus 9 by 2, that equal to minus 3 into x minus 3, 2 get cancelled here, 2y minus 9, okay, that equals here minus 3x plus 9. Okay, minus into minus plus 9. See here, that one take, this one taken to right side here. What is that? 3x plus 2y minus 9 minus 9, that equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 18, that equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent. Next, equation of the normal. Okay, equation of the normal. What is that? Y minus 9 by 2, that equal to minus 1 by minus 3 by 2. Okay, right, x minus 3. See here, 2y minus 9 by 2. See, that equal to 2 by 3. Right, x minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled. This is reciprocal. 2 taken to the numerator. Okay, right, 3 multiplication here. 3 into 2y minus 9 by 2. That equal to 2 into x minus 3. See here, 2 taken to right side. 2 into 2, 4. Okay, 3 2 is 6y minus 3 9 is 27. That equal to 4x minus 12. Okay, right, 4x minus 6y. See, this one is the taken right side here, right, minus 12 plus 27, that equal to 0, right, 4x minus 6y. See, 5 15 plus 15, okay, that equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent, this is the equation of the normal. See here, once again I repeat the explain here. This is equation number 1. Okay, we have to take a differentiating with respect to x. Okay, clearly I explain that step by step. Right, equation 1, differentiating equation 1, dy by dx equal to some value. Right, here also dy by dx, this is, right, this is the m value. Right, both are equal. Then we'll get a 2y, something y equal in x terms. Okay, y value in substituting equation 1. Right, equation 1. Then x value. See here square. This is the binomial. Right, this is the quadratic equation and also second degree equation. So 2 roots here. X value 1 or 3. Any other equation is second degree equation, 2 roots. Okay. Now here then we will get a 2 roots. One is the x1, x equal to 1, and another one is the x equal to 3 here. Here this problem only. Right. Case 1 is the x equal to 1 substituting in equation, then we get a y value. Okay. Then we get a point. Okay, these points taken here, equation of the tangent we find here, equation of the normal find here. Okay, case 1 is a completed. And also case 2 we also x equal to 3, right? Then we will get a points, 2 points here, x equal to 3, y equal to value. Same procedure, equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. This is the end of the solution. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Do you have any doubt? Please comment, please subscribe. Don't forget like and share.